Okay, this is my hydroponic system. I saw a video on how to hydroponics. This is actually an aeroponic system. All of these little black things are sprinklers. I'll show you how it works in a little bit. There's air stones in the bottom, so it's actually a bubble ponic system also. I'll plug it up so you can see. I have 2 air stones in there, so it's super oxygenated. And I'm about to show you how the rest of the system works. Turn that off because I only have one plug in right now. I'm about to turn the water, this pump on. Crank it down at first to show you how it works, and then I'll crank it back up. Okay. All of these are micro sprinklers that shoot, it's hard to tell, but they all rotate in the middle and shoot tiny droplets out to make a fairly even blanket of water in there. You can crank it up more. I'm not going to crank it up all the way because it'll shoot everywhere, but just enough so you can see, maybe. That's going everywhere. I have to crank it back down. And that's how that works. It's also a top drip system too. If you notice, there's a little lug right here. Now I can take that out and shut these valves off to where all the water comes through here. And I can put this lid, put my lid on. Put my lid on, and it has 8 plants in it. And whenever you take that nut or that plug out of the top, you can take this here, which will work as a top drip system. It's 3/4 flex tube, and it won't fit down in there because this is what you would screw down into where the plug is, and it comes up, and each and every one of these little tubes coming off of it, you could plug down in there and get your roots established until they have roots long enough for the aeroponic system to work. And then you can take this off, go down here, open these valves up, put the plug back in, and it's an aeroponic system with a bubbler in the bottom. It's a 650, I think, pump with a double port air pump on the side.